Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Disney Plus account. Now the steps to log in into your Disney account and Disney Plus account is different. So if you want to log in into your Disney Plus account, then watch this video. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for Disney Plus login just like this. And after you search for Disney Plus login, what you want to do is you want to click on where it says login Disney Plus and make sure it takes you to disneyplus.com. Alright, click on it, and once it brings you to this page, which is the login page of Disney Plus, where it says login at the top right corner, click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the login section where you need to enter your login information like your email and the password of your account in order to log in into your Disney Plus. Like this. Over here, enter your email first, then click on continue. Then it's going to send a verification code on your email. Go and check the verification code sent on your email and type it down. Once you type the code, click on continue, and on the next step, it's going to ask you for the password and you should be able to log in into your Disney Plus account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.